The 2026 LCU 1700 landing craft utility remains one of the most dependable military transport vessels designed for moving troops, vehicles, and heavy cargo between larger ships and shorelines. Built for reliability rather than speed, it continues to serve as an essential logistics platform capable of operating in demanding coastal and riverine environments. Its rugged steel construction gives the vessel exceptional durability during repeated beach landings and cargo operations. The reinforced hull is designed to withstand harsh conditions, including shallow waters, rocky shorelines, and continuous heavy-duty use. This proven design has earned the LCU 1700 a reputation for toughness. The large open cargo deck is the defining feature of the craft. It can transport main battle tanks, armored personnel carriers, engineering equipment, trucks, shipping containers, and hundreds of tons of supplies. This flexibility makes it valuable during military deployments as well as humanitarian relief missions. The bow ramp allows vehicles and equipment to be loaded and unloaded directly onto beaches without requiring port facilities. This capability enables rapid deployment in areas where infrastructure has been damaged or does not exist, significantly improving operational effectiveness. The propulsion system provides dependable performance with a balance between fuel efficiency and carrying capacity. Although the LCU 1700 is not designed for high-speed travel, it delivers steady cruising performance that supports long-distance logistics missions while minimizing maintenance demands. Crew accommodations have been refined for the 2026 version with improved sleeping quarters, climate control, modern galley facilities, and upgraded workspaces. These enhancements help crews remain comfortable during extended missions lasting several days or even weeks. The navigation suite includes advanced radar, GPS integration, electronic chart systems, and modern communication equipment. These technologies improve safety, situational awareness, and coordination with naval task forces during complex operations. Safety has been enhanced with upgraded firefighting systems, emergency power capabilities, improved damage control equipment, and reliable life-saving gear. These systems help protect both crew members and valuable cargo under challenging operating conditions. Cargo handling remains efficient thanks to strengthened deck fittings, secure tie-down points, and optimized loading procedures. Heavy vehicles and oversized equipment can be transported with confidence, even when operating in rough coastal waters. The vessel's shallow draft allows it to access locations that are unreachable for larger transport ships. This capability makes the LCU 1700 especially useful during amphibious assaults, disaster relief operations, and remote island resupply missions. Maintenance has been simplified through improved access to engines, electrical systems, and mechanical components. Modular equipment and durable construction reduce downtime while lowering long-term operating costs for naval operators. Operational versatility continues to be one of the craft's strongest qualities. Beyond military logistics, the LCU 1700 can support disaster response, humanitarian assistance, construction projects, and emergency evacuations, demonstrating its value in both combat and peacekeeping roles. The 2026 model incorporates updated electrical systems, improved lighting, and more efficient onboard power management. These upgrades enhance reliability while supporting modern communication and mission equipment. Despite the introduction of newer amphibious transport platforms, the LCU 1700 continues to fill an important niche thanks to its exceptional payload capacity, dependable performance, and ability to deliver cargo directly onto unimproved shorelines where larger ships cannot operate. Overall, the 2026 LCU 1700 landing craft utility remains a practical, durable, and highly capable logistics vessel. Its combination of heavy cargo capacity, beach landing capability, reliable engineering, and operational flexibility ensures it will remain an indispensable asset for amphibious operations and humanitarian missions for years to come.